Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix name drop not working on iOS 17. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. It's pretty easy to fix this problem. So here are the four things you need to do. Okay guys, first of all you have to open the settings app, and first of all you have to go to general on both devices, and just simply have to go to about section, and just simply have to make sure that if it's showing here too. Now go back from here guys, and after that you have to make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply have to update your both devices and make sure that you are using your both devices on iOS 17. Once you have done this guys, then maybe it's glitch in your device, that's why you are facing the error like that. Just simply you have to force restart your devices depending on which models you are using. So force restart both of these devices, and after that what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the control center of both devices. Now once you have done this guys, just simply you have to go to airdrop section and just simply have to turn on both of these. Now let me tell you that you have to remove the case from both of the devices, and then you have to hold the both devices together, and you can easily do that. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to wait some days, because this is not working for some users. That's why maybe you are one of them, so you have to wait some days, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.